Welcome to Keys to Cash Flow. If you're looking to build wealth through real estate, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to real estate cash flow. This video will break down how you can generate steady income, increase profits, and build long-term wealth through real estate investments. So, make sure you stick around until the end. Let's start with the basics. What is cash flow in real estate? Simply put, it's the money left over after you've collected rent and paid all your expenses. The formula looks like this. This is your passive income, the money that keeps flowing in even when you're not actively working. The goal is to maximize this so you can achieve financial freedom. Now that you understand cash flow, how do you find properties that actually generate it? Here are 5 key factors to look for. Location. Look for areas with strong rental demand, job growth, and low vacancy rates. Rental income potential. Compare rent prices in the area to ensure they exceed expenses. Low operating costs. Focus on properties with low maintenance and management costs. Emerging markets. Look for up-and-coming neighborhoods with potential for growth. Financing options. Secure the best mortgage rates and loan structures for maximum leverage. Local market trends. Stay updated on economic trends, new developments, and legislation affecting landlords. Types of properties. Consider different property types: single-family homes, multifamily units, or mixed-use developments. Finding a cash flow positive property is great, but how do you boost your cash flow? Here are some proven strategies. White heavy check mark. Negotiate a better purchase price. Buy below market value to reduce mortgage costs. White heavy check mark. Reduce expenses. Shop for better insurance. Negotiate property management fees, and handle minor repairs yourself. White heavy check mark. Increase rent. Improve the property with minor upgrades to justify higher rent. White heavy check mark. House hacking. Live in one unit while renting out the others. White heavy check mark. Short-term rentals. Platforms like Airbnb can provide higher returns than long-term leases. White heavy check mark. Adding additional revenue streams. Install coin-operated laundry, storage units, or offer furnished rentals for higher rates. White heavy check mark. Refinancing. Lower your mortgage payments by refinancing at a better interest rate. White heavy check mark. Tax benefits. Take advantage of deductions like depreciation, mortgage interest, and property tax write-offs. White heavy check mark. Optimize lease agreements. Include clauses that benefit you, such as annual rent increases or utility coverage by tenants. White heavy check mark. Rent by the room strategy. Maximize rental income by renting out individual rooms instead of the entire unit. White heavy check mark. Adding value with ADUs, accessory dwelling units. Convert garages or basements into rentable spaces. Real estate cash flow is powerful, but if you're not careful, you can fall into some common traps. Here's what to avoid. Cross-mark. Overestimating rental income. Always verify rental comps before buying. Cross-mark. Underestimating expenses. Budget for property taxes, repairs, and vacancies. Cross-mark. Bad property management. A bad tenant or poor management can drain your profits. Cross-mark. High vacancy rates. Choose properties in desirable locations with strong demand. Cross-mark. Not planning for market fluctuations. Factor in potential downturns in the economy and have a financial buffer. Cross-mark. Ignoring exit strategies. Always have a backup plan in case you need to sell or pivot your investment approach. Cross-mark. Buying in declining markets. Research local trends to ensure long-term sustainability. Cross-mark. Failing to screen tenants. Poor tenant selection can lead to missed rent payments and legal issues. Let's take a look at some real-life examples of investors who mastered real estate cash flow. These case studies will show you different strategies in action. Pushpin Case Study 1. The Buy and Hold Investor. How a first-time investor built a cash flow positive portfolio over 5 years. Pushpin Case Study 2. The BRRR Method. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. A deep dive into this strategy. Pushpin Case Study 3. The Airbnb Host. A breakdown of how one investor turned a single-family home into a high-earning short-term rental. Pushpin Case Study 4. The Commercial Property Investor. A look at how one investor leveraged multi-unit commercial properties for long-term cash flow. Pushpin Case Study 5, The Real Estate Syndicator, How Pooling Resources with Other Investors Can Lead to High Cash Flow Deals. Pushpin Case Study 6, The Fix and Flip Investor, How One Investor Increased Cash Flow by Flipping Properties Strategically. Want to take your cash flow to the next level? Here are some advanced strategies to scale your real estate income even further. Fire investing in multifamily units. Scale faster by owning more rental units under one roof. Fire real estate syndication. Partner with other investors to fund bigger deals and earn passive income. Fire seller financing. Negotiate with sellers for better terms and reduced out-of-pocket costs. Fire lease options and rent-to-own. Secure long-term tenants while increasing profitability. Fire 1031 exchange. Legally defer capital gains taxes when reinvesting profits into new properties. Fire creative financing. Use hard money loans, partnerships, or HELOCs to maximize leverage. Fire self-storage investments. Low maintenance and high cash flow potential. Fire mobile home parks. Less competition and stable tenants provide consistent income. Fire commercial triple net leases, NNN. Minimal landlord responsibilities with high cash flow potential. So there you have it. The ultimate guide to real estate cash flow. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, these strategies can help you maximize your income and achieve financial freedom.